Hey there YouTube, it's Darren. We're in the shop today. We're going to be working on the Grand Design Imagine. Today's project, we're going to do a keyless entry. We have Latch It. So we're going to unbox this and I'm going to attempt to put it on. They say 10 minutes install. For me, it'll probably be 20 or 30 minutes. Probably a lot of F words. So I'm gonna unbox this and let's take a look at it. All right, unboxing. And I think that's the stupidest thing you see on YouTube, but I'm doing it here. Unboxing something. Oh, look how nice all this stuff is. The directions, you can just throw them away. I have no idea what that is. Looks like a pen, a keychain.
It's a tool. It's a tool.
Latch. Hey, they got batteries. Thank God. Unboxing. Oh, look how nice they packed this. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that beautiful box. I guess you guys can tell I think unboxing videos are kind of stupid. So let's take a look at what we're going to be working with here. Keys, I'm going to have to cut those off. There's what you end up having. All metal, pretty heavy duty thing. This will be the inside Phillips head screws. And let's see what we got here. Oh, keyless remotes. Alrighty, there it is. So I'm gonna go over here and let's take the old one out. See if I can get this in. Alrighty, getting ready to take this off. Got to put my readers on. Phillips head, luckily. I'm going to take that out. And it's out. Pretty easy. Okay, we're ready to put the new unit in. This does have a gasket along here. It did come with an adhesive gasket, which was much bigger. We determined that you probably don't need it with this gasket seal here. And we're gonna put this in here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install the batteries now. This just had a plate here with these little screws. I was going to show you this. I said I didn't know what this was. This is pretty cool. It's a little Phillips head. We have connections here. We're going to go ahead and hook up. And that's like an antenna, it looks like. Signal receiver. I guess we'll just put that up out of the way. Okay, so now I've got this attached, and this is my second attempt. I'm going to give you a tip here. There's a shaft that you want to have on your deadbolt, but you also, there's a slide shaft or a slide bracket in here that catches this. My first time that was not caught into that slide bracket, so before you get everything in there, make sure that works and make sure that's latched in like I have, and we're good to tighten up. And there you have it. It's installed. We're going to test it out. No F-bombs. All right, they're installed. They work. So I really don't like doing how-to videos. My channel is more about RV camping and kayaking, but we were going to install that, and it had been a while since I'd done a video, so I thought, what the heck, I'll film it. And I was going to show you here my camper. I'm using this Rain-X on it. We keep it nice and shiny here in the shop. And then one other thing I really like using is this 303. I bring this in and I use it on all my black surfaces. Just everywhere there's a black surface, I'll come in and put this UV protector, the 303, on. Keep this thing nice and shiny. This camper is pushing almost 3 years. It's a 2020 model. But with the 303 and the Rain-X, the thing shines like it's showroom fresh. You couldn't tell it's 3 years old. Let me show you. All right, yeah, I really like that 303. It's a very good UV protector for your RV. Like, you can look at this black on my camper here, and it has no fading. Like I say, this thing, we've had it 2 years. I know it probably sat on the lot for a few months in front of that. So, and if you look at my black on here, there you'll see no fading. So yeah, 303, if you want to keep your camper polished up, that's a good product. So I hope you liked the video. We do a lot of RV trips in Colorado, kayaking coming up. We're going to hit some new lakes, and like to see comments, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. I actually hit 500 subscribers the other day, which kind of surprised me. It's kind of a nice little surprise to see, you know, people want to see my videos. So hey, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.